Hello there, welcome to the introduction and installation video of the Python course for beginners. Let us learn how to install Python. For that, we'll go to www.python.org and then we head over to Downloads, go to Windows and then click on this button. As you can see, it has started to download. If you use some other operating system, then just go to Downloads again and then you can search for your desired platform. I will just go to the normal Windows one. While Python is being downloaded, let me introduce you to Python. So Python is a programming language, which means it can be used to give instructions to the computer. It is the world's fastest growing programming language because it is used not only by people from the tech field, but also by scientists, mathematicians, data analysts, accountants, and even more. It is a very friendly and simple programming language, and hence anyone without any background in computers can also learn it. Now, Python has various uses. It is widely used in artificial intelligence, data analysis, hacking, and so on. It can also be used for doing tasks that are very repetitive and hence get boring. These may include shifting, renaming and uploading files, managing Excel sheets, and so on. You can just make a Python program to do that work for you. Python is preferred over other languages due to its features, like having built-in functions. This means you mostly have many functions within Python and generally you don't have to import other modules. Python codes are usually shorter than codes of other languages because of its various functions. We will learn about all of this later in the course. It is also a cross-platform language, which means it can be programmed from multiple operating systems. There is also a high demand for it in the job industry. Now coming back to the installation of Python. Once it's installed, just click on the exe file and wait for it to open. Then what I want you all to do is tick the button of Add Python 3.7 to Paths. Then click Install Now and wait for it to install. This may take about 5 minutes or so depending on your internet speed. After it is installed, it will show setup was successful. Click Close, then go to the search button and then search for Python IDLE. Once you find it, click on it. This will then open a window. On the top, it will be written Python 3.7.4.shell, and you can see that we can type anything over here. Now click on Options, Configure IDLE, and then you can play around with the size depending upon what size is better for your comfort. Now programmers like to program with a dark theme because white screen can actually strain your eyes. So let us change that. For this, we'll go to Options, Configure IDLE, then click on Highlights, click on IDLE Classic, and change it to IDLE Dark. Now click on the red text you see on this blue screen, and then click on Choose Color For, then select a grayish color, and then click OK. Now name this new theme. Click OK, then click Apply, and then again OK. We will start programming in the next video. That's it for today. Good luck and have a nice day.